What up, what up? Two new pickups in, one from Bodega, one from Sneaker Store. So this one's from Bodega. They had a sale going on for Cuban made, especially cheese in general. You know, Cuban made is juicy. Two favorite brands at the moment that I really like. Yeah, the Human Made. We'll unbox this in a second. Let's take a look at these. These ones should be my Union Dunks. Picked up another pair. These are the Court Purple Union Dunks. I got them for retail. So, yeah. Came from Riff LA. Shout out to them. Retail. They did a drop. We had some retail stuff dropping, so I picked it up off Riff. Court Purple. They're selling this for $275, but the drop that they had, they were selling for retail, so I was able to snag it up. I think I did unboxing already on these before. If you guys want to see that Union. And these, you can cut this layer out. That's why it has a little unfinished touches on these Union. These are like Laker colorway, Court Purples. These other pair. Yeah, here's the Court Purples. Is it just me, or this toe box right here is like hella bulky? Yeah, this toe box right here looking bulky. See, that's like super bulky. I don't know, maybe just me, but yeah. Got the Union Dunks here. Court Purple is pretty fire. And then I have my Human Made that I picked up off Bodega. Shout out to them. Retail was $120. Got this for $60. Size large, always. Size up. Ships it small. Yeah, I love Human Made quality tees. Got the Tiger. Gears for futuristic teenagers. And we have this one. So I got the Human Made heart. And it has the bunny on the back. For You're the Rabbit. Yeah, pick up two Human Made and then Union Dunk. Let me know what you guys think. Quick pickup. Subscribe. More videos coming. I'm out. Peace.